forbidden strategy and freeing strategy. Okay, simply these are the three concepts here, the three main strategies we are going to use. So now I like to explain with a small example so that we can understand all these words clearly. Okay, let me move forward. So here we like to discuss the traveling salesman problem. So traveling salesman problem, traveling salesman problem. So what does it mean by traveling salesman problem? Yeah. Traveling salesman problem means, for example, traveling salesman, so he has to travel 5 cities. So how this can be done? So he has chosen city number 2. First he will visit city number 2 and city number 1, next city number 5 and city number 4 and city number 3. So this is his order of visiting the cities. Okay, based on the distances, he like to, he has to cover the least distance, but he has to visit all the cities. So what will happen? So here the distance is has to be minimized. So in this move the distance is 50 kilometers, for example. Of course this is my current solution. Okay, I found this is the better, and okay, this is the thing, that's all. So his duty is to visit 5 cities and to sell the items or to sell the goods. First he will visit second city and then first city, then fifth city, fourth city and third city. If he has done in this way, he has covered 50 kilometers. And now what will happen, what we need to do actually, so I like to show you the thing here. So our job is to change this part. Yeah, my job is to change this memory structures. So what I need to do, I have to go ahead with the neighboring solution, neighboring search. That means first I have this current solution now and I want to see the neighboring solution. So what I need to see, I want to interchange these two, so 1 and 4. So what will happen, first he will visit second city and then fourth city, then fifth city and then first city and then third city. So in this manner he has visited the cities. So if he has visited the cities in this manner, so what will happen, the distance is coming to 45 kilometers. Of course we need to reduce the distance. So I can say that this is the best solution out of these two, now what will happen, now I can again, this is my current solution. Now what will happen, I can again change the solution for the neighboring solutions. So I can also change these two once again. So what will happen, again I will get 50 kilometers. This move can also be done. So again I will get 50 kilometers. So it is going to worst result once again. So as we already know that if I interchange these two, it simply resembles the previous one and I am getting the worst result. So the changing of, so here you need to concentrate clearly, the changing of 4 comma 1 in this current solution. Now the changing of 4 comma 1 gives us the previous result, which is worst result. So we are putting this 4 comma 1 in forbidden strategy, and that means we are putting the 4 1 in taboo list. 4 comma 1 should be written in taboo list. So according to forbidden strategy, we are putting the 4 comma 1 in the taboo list. So it controls the entering of taboo list. Understood? So this is the main concept. So if you can change the two things, and if you can simply change the same way in the opposite way, that cannot be allowed because you are already getting the best result. Okay, so that change has to be put in the taboo list. Okay, please try to understand this concept. So this is in taboo list. Okay, so this is taboo list. So how to freeing this? For example, after that we have done something and we have done some other things, and maybe this should be in taboo list for 3 iterations in general. But after first iteration itself, if you change this, you will get a very best result, and you never get the this much best compared to previous results. For example, in the next to next iteration itself, you have got 30 kilometers. So that is the best when compared to previous two distances. So I can simply remove this item from taboo list and I can go ahead with that change. So this removal can be done by aspiration level. So this thing is called aspiration level. So by this aspiration level, what will happen? I am simply freeing, according to freeing strategy, I have controlled the exiting parameter of the taboo list. Otherwise, if it is after 3 iterations, it automatically coming out of taboo list. That's why that is called freeing strategy. That is also called freeing strategy. And if I am using the aspiration level and making that move out of my taboo list, can also be called as freeing strategy. Then what is meant by short-term strategy? Short-term strategy means simply application of aspiration level and making the item free. That means the 4-1 is first in taboo list, after that it is free. That movement is called short-term strategy. Okay, that operation of taking this item out of this taboo list is freeing strategy, and these things are called the operation of movement is short-term strategy. Okay, so this is very good example of explaining all these things. Now everything has been completed. Memory structures, so our current solution is stored in memory structure. After that we need to go ahead with neighboring solution. Okay, my current solution is in memory structure. After that it is going ahead with neighboring solution, and based on that taboo list will be generated. If any aspirations are there, we will take that movement from taboo list. Okay, and based on the taboo list, meta heuristic search can be done. So it is an optimization technique. Finally we will again reach the current solution, so we will change the current solution in that manner, and keep on, all these things are keep on applicable. Okay, so this is very much very good example for the taboo search problem. So after that, yeah, basic ingredients of taboo search. So we can discuss these basic ingredients in the next video. Okay, thank you so much for listening this, and we will continue these video sessions up to 4 to 5. Okay, 4 to 5 videos only, so please try to see them. You will get very good idea. Thank you so much.